Alright, today we're going to be working on some place value, and I want you to write down place value at the top and put your name. Go ahead and put your date on the date you're doing this. I want you to build the number 423. Now you may have to pause the video, but you're going to build 423. So you're going to have to go get your base 10 blocks. Alright. And you're going to have 400s. 1, 2, and I'm going to probably have to zoom out. Get more room to see. And then 400. So that's 400s. 20. So you need 2 10s. And you need 3 1s. 3 1s. So how many 1s do we have in this? How many 1s? We have 3 1s. How many 10s? We have 2 10s. And how many hundreds? We have 4 hundreds. Alright? If I cash in 100, how many 10s will I get? So if I cash this in, how many 10s do I get? Should get 10 10s. So let's do this. We call this cashing in, unbundling. There's a lot of different words, but we're trading it. And cash in is the one that I use the most because I think of a $10 bill being cashed in for 10 $1 bills. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10. So I can't keep my 100. My 100's got to go back up. And now I've got, in place of that 100, I've got 10 10s. So if I cash that in, how many 10s will I get out? I'll get out 10 more. If I cash in a 10, how many 1s do I get? So if I cash this in, how many 1s do I need to count out? Right, 10. So I'll lay that down for a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 1s. So I put my $10 bill, or my rod, up, and I have now 10 1s. I didn't count my other 3 1s in that. So now the total for 423, the total number of 10s that I have is 3 plus, you're going to notice this because my Psychograph uses a 10 frame a lot. And so if I put these into a 10 frame, there's my 10 frame. So 10 plus 3 is 13. So I have 13 1s now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 10s and 3 hundreds. But I still have 423 because 100, 200, 300. 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400, 410, and then 400, I've got another 10 here, so 420, 423. But it still looks different because I cashed in 100 for 10 10s, and I cashed in a 10 for 10 1s. Alright, so now we're going to go down here and we're going to do 82 minus 25. So I'm not going to need any of my hundreds on this, but I am going to need my 10s. I'll put my hundreds up, and I'm going to have 82, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then 82. Alright, I'm going to put my others up because I don't want to get them mixed up. So I've got 82. That's what you should have. And now I've got to take away 5 1s. Can I take away 5 1s? I cannot take away 5 1s, so that means I have to cash this in for 10. I'm going to lay that there and then count out my 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if you're reviewing this and I'm going too fast, you know you can always pause it, guys, to catch up with me. So I have 10, but I can't keep my 10 when I get 10 out, so I have to put my 10 back up. So let's check and make sure I still have 82. So I like putting this in my 10 frame. Takes a little while, but it still organizes in my brain if I put it in a 10 frame. Alright, so there's my 10 in my 10 frame, right? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and that's 10, so 80, 81, 82. So there's 82. Now can I take away 5 ones? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh, I just shouldn't have took away 6, should I? Alright, so I took away 5. So let's look at this. I cashed in my 10, so I have 7 10s now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I had 12 ones. And I just took 5 away, so I have 7 ones left. Alright, now I have to take away 2 10s. So 1, 2, I took away 2 10s, and I have 5 10s left. 5 10s left. So my answer would be 57. See, I took away 25, and I have 47 left. So, if I put 25 plus 57, and I add it together, I get 12, carry my 1, 7, 8. So, does it check? It does. So, it's the correct answer. But I want you to learn how to draw it too. I wanted you to use these, but now you're going to draw it. So, you've got to draw 1, or that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then 2, 1, 2. Now, can I take 5 away? I can't, so I have to circle this 10. Don't exit out, circle it, because you're doing something different with it. If you're taking it away, you exit out. So I'm going to come down here and draw my 10 frame. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I've cashed him in, so I've had to put him back. So I'm going to take and scribble him out where he's not X'd out, he's scribbled out, so I know I've cashed him in. Now I've got to take away 7. I always take away outside of my 10 frame first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh-oh, I was supposed to take away 5, wasn't I? I was not supposed to take away 7. Erase those and make them again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've took away 5. I have 7 left. Now I have to take away 2 10s. So I'll put X's on these. 2 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is left. That's how we draw it. Alright. Now you're going to do 92 minus 53. 92 minus 53. So I want you to work it out with your 10 frames. And then I want you to draw it as well. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 92. So I need 2. And there's my 92. And I've got to take away 53. I've got to take away 53. Uh-oh. So we always take away our 1s first. Can I take away 3? 1, 2. I can't take away 3, can I? Alright, so I've got to cash this in, unbundle it, regroup, borrow. Those are all 4 words that you'll hear people say when we're doing subtraction, which you're finding the difference. You're finding the difference. The answer to a subtraction problem is called the difference. Alright, so we need 10 for this. I'm going to lay it down right here and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I've got 10 right there. So, got to take this in away. He's gone. Because I still have 92 with these 10 ones. Still have 92 with these 10 ones. So let's look at this. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92. Okay, so we just cashed it in. So what I did is I just cashed in. Now I don't have 9 rods. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rods. And I don't have 2 ones. I've got 10 ones. Or 12 ones total. I added 10 more. So I have 12. Now I have to take away 3. So there's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 I took away. And I have 9 left. So I'll put my 9 down. And then I have to take away 5 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. So I take away my 5 tens. And I have 3 tens left. 3 tens left. So now I'll go over here and check myself. So I have to add my part back to get my whole. So I have 53 plus 39. I have 9 plus 3 is 12. And then I put my 1 up there. I have 1 plus 5 plus 3 is 9. Is it the same? It is, so I check it. Good job. Now I've got to draw it. So I have to draw 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. And I have 2 ones. 1, 2. Because subtraction, you're taking away from the whole. That's the whole. Now, can I take away 3 ones? I cannot. So I circle my 10. Draw my line. I make a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mark it out. Because I cashed it in, so he's gone. I didn't take him away. I cashed him in, regrouped him, unbundled, all of these different words. Borrowed is a word that they use, but do you really borrow? You really don't borrow, do you? Because it disappears. So if you borrow something, you actually give it back. But I guess we could put it all back together and give it back, in a sense. Alright, so now I need to take away 3 ones. So 1, 2, 3. I always take away from outside of my tens frame first because it's easy for me to look and say, okay, that's 9. And then I have to take away 5. I put X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 1, 2, 3 left. So there's 39. Good job. Let's check this. We've got 83 minus 37, and we're going to find the difference. So we need 83. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 3. So there's 83. Now, can I take 7 ones away? I cannot, so I've got to cash this one in, unbundle, regroup, and whatever. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here's 10. I like putting those in the tens frame. So I know I'm dealing with 10. And it also allows me to check my counting. Because if I don't have an array that's 2 by 5, then I know it's not 10. So if I have an odd number and got 1, I've miscounted. Don't forget that when I cash this in, I've got to put this back up. Let's count and make sure we still have 83. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. Alright, now can I take 7 away? But first, let's look over here. I don't have 7 or 8 anymore. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. And I don't have 3 ones anymore. I have 13 ones. So then I take 7 away. So I take these away first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I take those away. There's my 7. I have 6 left, so I'll put 6 down here. Then I have to take away 3 10s, so I'll take away 3 10s. And I have 4 10s left, so I'll put my 4 down there. Now I've got to check it, and we check it by adding our parts together to get our whole. So we have to do 46 plus 37. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry your 1. And then 8. Does it check? It does check. So now we've got to draw it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then we've got 3, 81, 82, 83. Can I take 7 away? I cannot take 7 away because I've got 3 ones, so I need to circle that 10. And I'm going to draw my arrow, and I'm going to cash him in for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Scribble him out. And now I can take away 7. I always start outside of my tens frame first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 6 left, and that is what I've got. And then I have to take away 3 10s, so I put an X on them. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 left, and that's what I have. I hope this has helped you guys learn how to regroup when you're subtracting to find the difference. Make sure to staple this paper to your work plan.